In today's 3-minute or less review, we are taking a look at this Pewter Metallic 2002 GMC Sonoma SLS Crew Cab. This Sonoma features the graphite cloth interior. The four-wheel drive truck is powered by the 4.3-liter Vortec V6 engine with 190 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, and can haul 1,111 pounds of payload and tow a maximum of 5,200 pounds. It comes equipped with the 4-speed electronically controlled turbo-hydromatic 4L60E automatic. The Sonoma Crew Cab was essentially a Jimmy with a bed and sits on a 122.9-inch wheelbase with an overall length of 205.3 inches. Inside, the Sonoma is a comfortable place to be, featuring a driver-oriented instrument panel. Radio and climate controls fall right at hand, as do the AutoTrack transfer case control buttons. This truck also features cup holders, center console, and a remote cassette player receiver. The rear bench seat seats 3 across, but 3 is a crowd and 2 would be better. While the seat, in practice, is fixed in place, the seat back does tilt forward for access behind it. This truck is fitted with a tonneau cover over the bed. On screen, the bed dimensions are shown. And this does conclude this quick look at the GMC Sonoma SLS Crew Cab. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Also, check out our Facebook page at the title shown above, as well as our Instagram channel. As always, thank you for watching.